Right, lads, listen up. If you are able to look at your map, we'll be dropped all the way north. We'll be going into the APC. We'll be dropped alongside it. We'll move towards the markers that are provided on the map. We'll clear it out in the squares with a cross in it. Those are markers where we need to capture someone. In one of those towns, there's a person. The crosses itself are destroy markers. In the harbor to the southwest of that, you'll have boats. We need to destroy those. So if you bring explosives, thank you. If not, fuck you.
Alright, we'll do that. Town, then radio tower.
What's the guy
do mind
looking
your
for?
explosives in the town. Notable thing is we do have colonial police about. They won't really do much.
This guy is armed.
That's the local police force.
I understand. Come talk to him.
Why? What is he asking?
He's asking us what we're doing here, and he's threatening us with a gun. I mean,
And then lower ArmA
Yeah, but-
itself.
Boom, you haven't had good hearing since you were 7 years old.
That's good.
Too much
That's not
yoga.
good.
And that's why when you're behind me, I will not yell blast with this guy.
I welcome death like a true warrior. What's going on? Oh, there's lights, in the distance.
You would expect in a civilized area that there would be electricity.
Thank you.
Start this moment.
Let's go, boys.
I'm gonna
What
take
are
my
lights?
vision off. I don't need it.
anti-tank, on the tank. I'm trying
Bomb
to... Like very low numbers of militia. Be careful.
Yeah, they've all been killed. Boom. Would you mind loading a rocket with guidance? Yep, I'm gonna mark one for you. Fire one ready.
I want to go left because we can use that. I can see.
Firing.
What the?
Where are we rocketing
Yeah,
a boat?
someone just decided to
Yep,
fire.
good it. Next one, marked.
Right. Well, one ball.
Fire.
Firing.
I beg of you. Good it. Alright, I'm gonna mark a target for you. Nice hit, well done.
Come to my location.
We're gonna start moving up.
How far out? Understood.
We're gonna split into two teams.
Good luck, boys.
Same again.
Get the
This
fuck
man.
out. Move. Chop.
Zeg, kom op dan, hè. 5 gamessen.
Go into the barn.
Was planning on it already.
That's our APC, right?
Yes.
Relay to them, they read my
I
mind.
think that's going to die. There's friendlies in there. Damn, poor guys.
Start swinging more to the south-southeast.
South-southwest, you mean, no?
No. That would be completely wrong direction.
There goes the APC.
Yeah. Sniper
Schaefer,
shot.
move towards the APC, see if you can get
Is Is that house even? Is there even hostiles in that house? Why are they shooting at it so insanely?
They were shooting at an enemy vehicle.
I'm gonna start moving up
Can
to
you
the
go
house.
now?
I don't want to be friendly fired.
Clear to drop. Let's steal the car. Let's steal the car.
That's really funny.
But it wants us to start running.
If it touches down, I can repair you.
Water pilot. Water pilot.
No, I'm pretty
he's
sure
going
ArmA just
down.
happened and Warthog killed it.
Schaefer, I want you
I know,
on the
I
medic. I want you on the pilot.
You want me on the medic? Ah, yes.
Yeah, on the pilot, sorry.
Oh my
The
god.
brain freeze, okay? We're gonna also need you on Nord in a second. The vehicle fell on them.
Yes, yes I will. Fuck you.
Thank you, Phillips. Have a good one. Get home safe.
Sure.
You got AA?
Yes.
It's stationary, hit it with the rocket. Good fucking hit.
Dead.
Hello, surprise attack.
Okay, he's got heart rate. Good.
Northwest coming from the tree line. I'm gonna pass out from blood loss. By the church.
Your IR laser is on, and I hope they don't realize what's happened. Gonna casually bring you back. Yes, I did walk over an unarmed guy to grab you because the guy with the gun died. And then I was like, huh, no one else is next to you. Instead of stealing your gun to shoot, I'm just gonna take you. There you go, let's see if they want to launch a rescue operation. I'm gonna run and see if we can't steal another person. Laser on him? The best part is it's Stan I stole.
You're a bastard.
Okay, I'm gonna see if we can't steal anyone else. I will let them know that something's happened to two of you.
Damn you, Paladin.
They left.
No,
I
we
fired
ain't
a
here.
assault rifle at them, and then they shot me with a turret. And then they left.
Yeah, it's been 2 hours.
Yeah. I like your idea.
What the fuck?
Wait!
Survive, Philip! Survive! There's two of them here, there's two of them. There's one next to me, one in front of me, one in front. Oh, fuck is using me as cover. Holy shit! There's one in the building coming out the door. Oh shit! Fucking hell, Philip's down now.
Stanley, there's 20 more enemies. If you surrender now, you can be rescued for them up next week.
I didn't even know what you said then. You're a bastard.
Okay. Just pretend to be the two police officers, as you've been dressed up as,
Oh, okay.
because you are currently missing in action.
Oh,
Okay,
no, why would
so
you do that?
both of those two are missing in action because they got captured and no one helped them. The only one who tried was Phillips, who then got shot down and gunned down.